Hello. Welcome to my kitchen. Again, dirty dishes in the sink. I don't even have time to do dishes. I told you I would give you a lesson about money. There are many pages in the back of your packet about money, practice with money, but I wanted to give you all of the vocabulary and some important words and questions that we ask and use about money all the time. So, the first thing you need to know is that these things here are called coins. These are coins. Everybody say coins. And when we talk about them as money, we say cents, C-E-N-T-S, cents. And so here, this one is a penny. The name of the coin is penny, and it's 1 cent. And the way we write that with a number is just like that. Sometimes you'll see this. This is old-fashioned, old. We used to write like this, 1 cent, 5 cents, right? But this means 1 cent. Everybody say 1 cent. A nickel is 5 cents, 5 cents, and we write it like this. A dime, that's dime with that silent E, right? Dime. Dime is 10 cents. And we write it just like this, 10 cents. And then a quarter is 25 cents. 25 cents. And think quarter, remember, quarter is this, right? Quarter, just like when we were talking about the time, the word is quarter, and it means 1/4. This is 1/4 of $1, right? 25 cents. Okay, so we call it a quarter. So we have penny, nickel, dime, quarter. Penny, nickel, dime, quarter, and that's 1 cent, 5 cents, 10 cents, 25 cents. Okay, and we have, these are the coins. Then we have bills. Bills are the paper. We call them bills. And bills represent dollars. They represent dollars. So this is a $1 bill, a $1 bill. Sometimes we just call it a one. And we say $1. Okay, the dollars go here in front of the decimal. They go in the front part, and then the cents go back here. This is $1.00, right? It's just $1. The next is a $5 bill. Sometimes we call this a five, right? We call it a $5 bill, and that's $5. A $10 bill is also called a 10. A 10. Do you have any tens? And that's $10. And then we have the 20s. This is a 20. Do you have any 20s? Can I get 20s? Okay, that's $20. And this is all, look, dollars, no cents, dollars, no cents, dollars, no cents. So bills represent dollars and coins represent cents. There's some other kinds of money. This isn't actually money, but there's a debit card and a credit card. Do you know the difference? Credit card means pay later. They take money back later. Debit card means take money now, right? It's a card. It's not cash. It's not coin. Oops, I should write the word cash. I haven't even said that one. It's not cash. Cash is coins and dollars only, right? But if you don't want to use coins and dollars, you can use a debit card or a credit card, or you can use a check. This isn't very common anymore. It used to be very common. And just to make a check, you would put the place you're writing. Say I was at Fred Meyer. I would write the name of the place. I would write the date, which is 6/5/20. I would write the amount of my check, $20.15. And then I write like this, $20 and 15 over 100. And then I sign it right here, okay? So that's how you write a check. Where do you get money? If you need cash, where do you get money? If you need dollars and bills, you can go to the ATM. ATM stands for automatic teller machine. That's where we get ATM, right? And you can see those at the bank, sometimes at 7-Eleven, at gas stations. That's so you can get cash. Or if you have other things you need, of course, you go to the bank. Okay, let's practice how we say the money. Let me move here. Here are some common questions that people ask when you go to pay with money. If you are at the store, they might say, how do you want to pay for that? And it sounds like this. How do you want to pay for that? Right? They're saying how, cash, card, credit, check. How do you want to pay for that? What are you going to use to pay for that? Again, how do you want to pay for that? How, it sounds like this. How do ya wanna pay for that? How do you want to pay for that? That's what it sounds like, okay? But they're saying, how do you want to pay for that? Or they might look at you and say, cash or card? That means, are you going to use money, bills and coins, or are you going to use a credit or debit card? Or maybe if you hand them the card, they will say, is that credit or debit? Is that credit or debit? And you say credit or debit. And then the other question they ask at the grocery store all the time, would you like to round up? Would you like to round up to donate to the food bank? Would you like to round up to donate to Children's Hospital? Would you like to round up to donate to breast cancer awareness? Okay, and round up means when you have 57 cents, you round up to the next dollar. You would add 43 cents. So you would increase the amount you spend by 43 cents. That's called round up. And I don't normally do that because I donate other money. Okay, so how do you want to pay for that? Cash or card, credit or debit, and would you like to round up? All good questions that they ask all the time when you pay for things. So let's practice how we say the money. On this side, these are all cents, no dollars, right? Do you see that? There's no dollars here. It's only cents. Okay, so this first one, we say 20 cents. 20 cents. This one, 17 cents. 17 cents. 99 cents. 75 cents. 12 cents. 35 cents. 67 cents. Good. Over here on this side, now that you see we have dollars in here, right? We have a dollar. There's two ways to say this. We can either say dollars and cents. So we could say it's $6.75. $6.75. We either use the words dollars and cents, or we use no words at all, just numbers. We can say 6.75. It's 6.75. Okay, so for example, this one, we can say 2.50, or we can say $2.50. 2.50 or $2.50. You will hear both. Both are correct. This one, 3.75 or $3.75. This one is 124.46. I'll say it again, 124.46 or $124.46. This one is 9.75 or $9.75. This one is 5.50 or $5.50. And this one is 10.25 or $10.25. Okay, so the only way for you to do this is practice. It's hard for me to give you exercises that ask you to say or write the money. I know you all know how to use money, but this is just some practice in how to say it correctly and how to understand the questions that people ask you. Okay, so that's your big lesson on money. That's all I got for you guys. I will talk to you later.